Probably you or someone very close to you has already tried to lose weight quickly with miracle recipes from the internet, or because it worked for someone else, right? However, if diets or even exercises are done incorrectly, they can be harmful to your health. So, check out the 6 most common mistakes made by those who want to lose weight. Number 1. Starving irritability, nervousness, impatience, and sadness. Do these feelings go hand in hand with the word healthy? The answer is no. Many people think that only the pounds matter, but to lose weight, it is necessary to focus on health as well. Between 24 and 48 hours without eating, the body's metabolism begins to slow down significantly. This happens because glycogen, which is stored in muscles and the liver, depletes and cell energy decreases. In addition to all the feelings mentioned above, going without food for too long can lead to more severe damage to blood pressure, seizures, and brain damage. Number 2. Not exercising. To truly lose weight, you need to combine a diet recommended by a nutritionist with physical exercises. These exercises are not only recommended for calorie burning, but also because they promote better biological functioning and physical conditioning. Moreover, the risk of acquiring cardiovascular diseases also decreases. Number 3. Self-medication for weight loss. Taking medications without a doctor's prescription can be harmful to health, which we all know. However, the side effects of those recommended for weight loss can lead to the rebound effect, meaning they can cause symptoms that didn't exist before, such as dizziness, excessive weight loss, and palpitations, among others. Number 4. Using only light and diet products. Many people believe that products labeled as light or diet are healthier because they contain less sugar or fat. But one must not forget that they have other chemical additives that slow down the absorption of essential nutrients in our bodies. The ideal, according to experts, is to reduce the portion size of these foods, whether they are the original or the versions mentioned above. Number 5. Comparing oneself to others. Following people on social media who encourage a better quality of life and consequently health is one thing. Another is following profiles that can harm you by constantly comparing your physique and forgetting that everyone has their own journey. We always think the grass is greener on the other side, but what many don't say is that we are different beings with different bodies. And, for example, the diet that made a famous person lose a lot of weight may not be ideal for you. Disconnect from other people's results and focus on your own. Number 6. Giving up halfway. It's normal to want to see results as soon as possible, isn't it? But it's a process that requires patience, especially with yourself. Losing weight healthily is much better than doing it quickly and potentially causing serious harm, such as nutrient and vitamin deficiencies essential to our bodies. Remember that only you can do this for yourself. It's harder at the beginning, but it becomes a habit when it comes to dietary re-education and training. If you want to lose weight more quickly, I recommend a 21-day plan to you. Many women are seeing great results in a short amount of time. I've included the link in the comments.